apart from the one that has been selected, which is up here. I guess you understand that. Okay, that's right. Okay, so I'm going to use this particular one. I guess you understand that. Yes, I'm not going to use any other. I'm going to use this particular one. So let me close this. So now, you see, when you click on Play Store, this is where it will bring you. Then you will see the icon of your Gmail account. If that's what you want to use, then there is nothing wrong. Now, let me click on it again. I need you to understand what I'm showing you. So when you click on this, quickly, you come to Payment and Subscriptions. Can you see that? It's here, Payment and Subscriptions. So you click on that. When you click on Payment and Subscriptions, quickly, you come up here. Can you see Payment Method is up here? So you click on Payment Method. Now, okay, so when you click on Payment Method, I have already added a payment method, and you can see it up here. I guess you understand that. But if you are now adding your payment method for the first time, then you have to come and click here, Add Credit. Can you see that? So click on Add Credit. When you click on Add Credit, then what next? You can see that here we have card number here. We have month and the year of expiry. Then we have security code. Can you see that? Now, the card number is the 16-digit number that is in the front of your card. And the month and the year is the expiry date. The month and the year, okay, is the expiry date that your card will expire. It's also in the front of the card. Then the security code is the 3-digit code at the back of your card. So you enter your card number, the month and the year of expiry, then the security code at the back of the card. Then you add your address, okay? You can add your address, your location, the city or the country or the town where you are. When you are done with that, quickly, you click on Save Card. Can you see that we have saved card, okay? So when you click on Save Card, quickly, your card will be saved to your Google Play Store. Okay, but because I have already added my card, I'm not going to add any payment method again. The one I've added is enough. But if you are now adding your payment method for the first time, please enter your card number. That is the 16-digit number that is on the front of your card. Then the month and the year of expiry is also on the front of the card. Then the security code is the 3-digit code at the back of your card. As soon as you enter, you key in your address, you enter your address. When you click on Save Card, quickly, your card has been attached to your Google Play Store for later paid subscriptions. Okay, so now let me go back. So that is that about that. Quickly, you go to Google, okay, your browser. I'm using Chrome. You can see that. So you come up here, go to the address bar, okay? Go to the address bar here. Click in there and type in Google Gemini. Watch this. Google Gemini. Google Gemini. Can you see that? Yes, Google Gemini. Then you enter. Now, when you enter, watch this. Do you see the first one? This is Google Gemini. So you click on Google Gemini. Then when you click on Google Gemini, let's see where it's taking us to. I'm going to show you. I guess you understand what I'm saying. Yes, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to the 1-month free access plan. Now, you can see that I have the same Gmail icon here. That means that I am using the same Gmail. Are you getting that? This is very important. If you change the Gmail, you will not be able to have access. Don't forget that I've added my payment card already with the same Gmail account. Are you getting what I'm saying? That's right. It's important. Because when you get here and you want to use another, then it means that you have to click on the icon here. Now, when you click on the icon, then you select among the list you have here. Can you see that? Yes. Okay, now let me select among the list. Let me select another Gmail because I want to show you. With the first Gmail, I've already subscribed to the 1-month free access. But I want to show you something, okay, with a fresh email account so that you understand what we are talking about. Are you getting that? Now you can see that the icon has changed. Why has it changed? Because I have changed the Gmail account. So now quickly what you do is you come up here, okay? You come up here. Do you see these 3 horizontal lines here? You click on it. When you click on it, Can you see that we have upgrade down here? We have upgrade here. So you click on upgrade. I guess you are following. Now, when you click on upgrade, let's see what's happening. Now, watch this. Read the information you have here from Gemini. Get Gemini Pro and more with a Google AI plan. Can you see that? 290 Ghana cedis has been cancelled. So it's now 0 Ghana cedis for 1 month. That means you have 1 month free access. Then 290 Ghana cedis month thereafter. So you can use this particular free version or free access for 1 month. Then after 1 month, you will pay. I guess you understand what I'm saying. Now, if you don't want to pay after 1 month because they will debit your account. So if you don't want to pay after the 1 month free access, then you have to cancel the subscription before the 1 month period is due. I guess you understand what I'm saying. Yes. Before the 1 month period is due. So now, when you click on, if you want to get access to the offer, you now click on get offer. As soon as you click on get offer, then you have been given the 1 month free access. But because this is not the Gmail I used in adding my payment card, I'm not going to click on get offer. But when you are doing it for the first time, you have to click on get offer. I guess you understand what I'm saying. This is important. And make sure that the Gmail you use in adding your payment card is the same as the Gmail you are using here. It's important. So as soon as you click on get offer, then the offer has been given. Are you following? Now, let me go back because I don't want to get this offer because I have it already. And I don't want to have the offer on this particular Gmail account. Okay, it's important. Now, as soon as you click on get offer, then you have the 1 month free access. Now, from here, what next? You can open another tab, okay? So click on this plus. Now, when you click on plus here, then you click on this. Click inside the address bar, then type in flow, F-L-O-W, flow, okay? Then enter. And enter. Now, this is the first one. Can you see that? Check the icon. This is the flow. So click on flow. Now, when you click on flow, after clicking on flow, let's see where it's taking us to. Yes, this is where we are. So this is flow, where the next wave of storytelling happens with VEO. So this is flow. Then quickly, you can see down here that we have create with flow. Can you see that? Create with what? Flow. Then when I click on create with flow, let's see what's happening. Where it's taking us to. Where it's taking us to, okay? This is where it's taking us to. Then from here, you now select your Gmail account that you have been using so far. I guess you understand that. Don't change it. So let me select the one I've been using all this while. And because I have already subscribed to the free version, they recognize this particular Gmail. It's very important. So I have created a lot of videos, okay? I have created a lot of videos already. You can see. But when you come here for the first time, it will be empty. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes, when you come here for the first time, it will be empty. Now, don't forget, you will still see your Gmail account profile picture at the top. That means that it's the same Gmail account that you are using. As soon as I change it, I will not have this access again because I have not added it before. That's why I'm saying that you have to follow through step by step. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yes. So what you do is, if you are coming here for the first time, now let me play this for you. Let me click on this one. Let me click on that. I want to play so that at least you will know what I'm talking about. I've already created this particular video. So let me click on it. I want it to play so that you can hear and see for yourself.
You can contact them on number 0248-386500. Acquire skills today and start making passive income.
These are videos, realistic AI videos I've created. But if you are coming here for the first time, you have to create your own. And so when you click on this, you see that generate a video with text. Now, let me show you this. This is important. This is important. Let me go back and show you this. Let me go back and show you this because I need you to understand. So when you are coming here for the first time, now watch this. You will click on new project. As soon as you click on new project, then this is where it will take you. Now, watch this. Have you seen type in the prompt box to start? Then this is the prompt box, okay? The prompt box is here. Now, let's watch this. Look at this. What we have here? Text to video. So let me click inside this. You see what we have? We have text to video. We have frames to video. Can you see that? So you select the first one. That is text to what? Video. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Then you now click inside this box and you paste your prompt. In order to create the prompt, you are going to use ChatGPT. So if you don't have ChatGPT installed on your phone, then you have to go to your App Store or your Play Store to install ChatGPT on your phone. So let's go to the Play Store. Let me show you that. So let's go to the Play Store. You can see that. So you click on Play Store. Then if you are coming here for the first time, go to search. Then you type in ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Can you see that? Then you enter. You can see that I've already installed ChatGPT. So it's on the phone already. Let me leave here. Go to my phone screen and select ChatGPT. It's here. This is ChatGPT. It's already installed. Can you see that? So you click on this. Now, can you see that I say, what can I help with? So you are now going to give a command to ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. And you are going to use that prompt to generate your AI realistic video. Now, I have created prompt already. So let me go here and show you something. You can click on this. Can you see that? When I click on this, I have prompt already. I have digital skills advert prompt here. Okay, I have digital skills ad prompt here. So let me click on the first one to show you something. Let me click on the first one to show you something. Now, this is the command I gave ChatGPT. Can you create a prompt for my video advert generation of a young man in his mid-30s talking to professionals on the need to acquire digital skills? Can you see that? And now this is the prompt that I am giving. This is the prompt. Now, let's watch this. Generate a video advert showing a confident African man in his mid-30s, well-dressed, smart casual outfit, standing in a modern office or professional setting, speaking passionately to a group of young professionals, men and women, seated and listening attentively. He gestures with purpose and intensity as he says. Now, watch this. The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you are already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore. It's about thriving. Whether you are in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors. Learn them, master them, use them to transform your life and career. Then watch this. The scene cuts to short clips of people working on laptops, attending virtual meetings, doing digital marketing, coding and teaching online. Background music is motivational and upbeat. At the end, the words appear on screen. Empower yourself. Learn digital skills today. Then with the CTE, that is call to action button, join the training now. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this was the command, okay? This was the command. It's an example of a command. I will give you a list of prompts that you can use to generate your own video advert. I'll give you a list that you can use, that you can edit to generate your own at the end of this training session. So don't worry. But I'm only showing you some of the command you give ChatGPT in order to give you a prompt. Can you see that? Now, the prompt has been given. So let me long press. Then let me copy. So I've copied the prompt. Now let me leave here. And I'm going to save, okay, my prompt somewhere. I'm going to save my prompt somewhere in my notepad. This is where I keep my notes. You can download, keep my note or notepad on your phone so that you store your documents in them. So quickly, what I'm going to do is to click on this plus for a fresh page. Then I click on notes. Can you see that? This is a fresh page. So long press. Then you paste. This is the prompt. Can you see that? Now watch this. I have to edit it because look at the first one. Sure, here is a clear and powerful video. It's not important. Then the prompt is also not important because I know that is the prompt. So let me take the prompt and this off so that it will start with the prompt. Exactly. Then let me come to the last end. Let me know if you like it in a local language. Now let me get this off for now. This will not be part of the prompt. So this is the few editing you do. That's why after copying your prompt from ChatGPT, you have to get a place where you are going to paste it to do some 1 or 2 editing. Because later, because you are saving it somewhere, you can later come and change something about it to create another video. Now I'm done. Let me long press on it. Long press, click on 3 dots here, then select all. Then let me copy. As soon as I copy, let me leave here, okay? Then I'm going to Google Chrome, okay? You can use any of the browsers you want, but I am using Chrome. So when you go to Chrome, you go to the address bar. Let me go to the address bar and start. Let me go to the address bar, okay? Then you type in what? If you remember, you type in what? Flow, okay? Flow. Can you see that flow? Then you enter. You type in flow. Can you see that? Now flow is here. The first one, click on it. Check the icon, it's important. So this is flow. Now when you click on it, let's see where it's taking us to. Let's see where it's taking us to. This is where we are. So you click on create with flow. Can you see that? Yes, you click on what? Create with flow. So you click on this, create with flow. So it's loading. Now let's wait a little, okay? Now, because I've created content already, that is why I have videos generated over here already. But if you are coming here for the first time, you click on new project. Can you see new project here? Yes, so click on new project. When you click on new project, then you are going to paste the prompt. Now watch this. Let me show you this. This is important. We have text to video here. Can you see that? So click in here. We have text to video. We have frames to video. Then we have ingredient to video. But we are using the text to video. Okay. Then you click in here. Then you long press. When you long press, then you paste. Can you see that? I've pasted the command here. Then quickly you come here. Watch this. This is important. Click on this. It looks like an equalizer. Can you see it? It's here. Click on that. When you click on that, then check the output per prompt. Can you see that? We have output per prompt. You have to select one. Always it should be one, okay? Then do you see the model? The model is here. The model is here. We have VEO2 fast. That's not what we are going to use. We are going to use VEO3. Can you see that? We have VEO3 fast here. This is important. If you use VEO2, your video will have no sound. Don't forget. Select VEO3, okay? So let me select VEO3. So I've selected VEO3. Don't forget, output per prompt. You will select what? 1. Then the model, you will select what? VEO3 fast. Text to video. Can you see that? When you are done, quickly, there is something down here that I want to show you. Can you see the arrow pointing to the right? Then you click on it. Then click on the arrow pointing to the right. And let's wait and see. Our video is being created. As simple as that. Now, when you are able to master this skill, when you are able to master this, you can create quality, realistic video advert for companies and brand. And you charge them money and they will pay you. Yes, this is a hotcake course. So make sure you go over what I'm teaching you step by step. Do it over and over so that you'll be perfect, because practice will make you perfect. And now, our video is being created. Don't forget that the VEO3, you'll be given an opportunity to create an 8 seconds video. So if the video is long, then it means that you are going to create many 8 seconds video. Then at the end of the day, you will put them together with a video editing software. And I will teach you that before the training comes to an end. I guess so that you can, because they will give you access to create an 8 seconds video. And you know that 8 seconds video is short. So you can be creating it bit by bit. Then when you are done, you put all together and you create a quality video for yourself. So now we are looking at the percentage, 67%, 69%. When it gets to 100%, it means that our video is ready. 87%, 99%. Okay, so the video is ready. Can you see that? Now let me click on it to play.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore. It's about thriving. The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already...
So when you click on it, it means you have paused it. Now watch this. Can you see that we have the download icon here? Then you click on it. When you click on it, then you select the original size, the original size 720. Okay, so click on that, and your video will be downloaded onto your phone. I guess you understand that. As simple as that. Downloading file downloaded. So our video is ready. Let me click on open and let's watch. Let me click on open. Now,
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore, it's about thriving.
now watch this. Do you see that? It's an 8 seconds video. Let me play it all
The
over.
world is
again.
changing fast.
The world is changing fast.
If you don't have digital skills,
don't have
you're
digital
already
skills,
behind.
You're already
It's
behind.
not just about surviving anymore.
That's right.
It's about thriving.
Can you see that? Our video is ready. Now, let's go to the prompt and watch something. I want to teach you something. Let's go to the prompt. Let's go to the prompt. What is the prompt? Now, watch this. You realize that it says generate a video advert showing a confident African man. So you saw that he was a confident African man in his mid-30s. You have seen, when you watch the video, you realize that he's in his mid-30s, well-dressed, smart casual outfit, standing in a modern office or professional setting, speaking passionately to a group. So you saw the group, men and women. That's why you saw men and women seated and listening attentively. He gestures with purpose and intensity as he says, and this is what he was talking about. The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore, it's about thriving. Now, this is where the video ended. Watch this. I want to teach you something here that will be a blessing to you. I want to teach you something here that will be a blessing to you. So realize that this was what he was supposed to say. But because you are given an opportunity to generate an 8 seconds video, this is where he ended his speech. The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you are already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore, it's about thriving. This is where the video ended. Now, the continuation is what? Watch this. Whether you are in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors. Can you see that? So I can decide to take this off. Watch this, it's important. That is why I say get a place where you can be saving your prompts so that you can be editing them. Because I've already created the first part already. So let me take that off because he has already talked about that. So let's watch this. Let's watch this. Let's watch this. Can you see that? Let's watch this. Let me take this off because he has already said this. Okay. Okay. This should be off. It should be off. It should be off. It should be off. It should be off. That's right. So whether you are in business, because this is what he's talking about. As for the description, it should be the same. But what he's about to say, this is what we have edited. So let me long press one more time. Click on the 3 dots here. Select all. Let me copy. Then leave here. Go to flow again. So it's very simple. You need to understand what you are doing. Let me go to flow again. Let me go to flow again. So at times you can just minimize it, okay, so that you will not have to start all over again. So let me go to flow again and generate another content. The one I generated is here. This is the one I generated. Can you see that? Let me play it.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore.
That's right.
It's about thriving. The world is changing fast.
So this is where
if you
it
don't
ends.
have
So now I'm going to generate another one. So click in here. Then long press. Long press. But watch this. I told you quickly, you have to come up here. You come up here. This one looks like an equalizer. Can you see that? So click on that. Then output per prompt. Do you see that it's still one? One is okay. But the model is view 2. You don't want view 2. So click on view 3. It keeps on changing. So you have to watch it before. Then click on the arrow to create the video. The second video is now creating. So when we are done with all, then we are going to use an editing software to bring them together. And I'll show you how to do that. And at the end of the day, you have a video created realistic for brands, and you can charge them money. Our video is ready. Now, let's play.
Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors. Learn them. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors.
Open doors.
Learn them.
Okay, learn them. So quickly, you click on the download button, then original size 720. You select it, then you download it. We will go to the prompt again. We will go to the prompt again. We will go to the prompt again. Now, watch this. So this is the prompt. Whether you are in business, watch this. This is what he was saying. Whether you are in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors. Learn them. This is where he ended. But the continuation is what? Master them. Use them to transform your life and career. So if you want to continue, then you have to take this off. This is important. It is very simple and easy to master this skill. Can you see that? So what we have here, master them, use them to transform your life and career. Then long press. Then you select all. Then you copy. As soon as you copy, then you leave here. We are going to flow again. So we are here. Now, click in here. Long press, paste. But watch this. Always check. Click on this equalizer at the top right corner. The output per prompt should be 1. The VEO 3 fast is selected, so you have no problem. So click on the arrow pointing to the right at the down here. So click on the arrow. When you click on the arrow, you wait as your video prepares. Okay? So this is how you create a realistic video content. Okay? An AI realistic video content. Now 20%, 21%. So our video is ready. Let's play it.
Master them. Use them to transform your life and career.
So that's
Master them.
Can you see that?
Use them to transform your life.
So now let me download original size 720. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. So our video has been downloaded. Can you see that? Now, let me use another prompt. Let me go to my notes. I think I have another prompt I want us to use to generate another thing, okay? Let me see. Do I have another prompt here? Okay, so there's a prompt here. A prompt here. Okay, so a confident black Nigerian nice lady in his mid-30s, smiling in a sharp black lady suit and red inner shirt, stands in front of gathering of professionals in an air-conditioned hall. The stage on which he stands has a banner hanged on the wall of the stage with digital marketing and content creation boldly written on the banner. He holds a microphone in one hand and a smartphone lifted with the other hand. With an excited smile and upbeat energy, she says, okay, so this should be she. She says, you can contact them on number 0248386500. Acquire skills today and start making passive income. So this is the prompt. Can you see that? Okay, so let me select all. Let me copy this prompt. Let me go back to flow, okay? It's not going to be a continuation of this particular video, okay? I guess you understand what I'm saying. Don't forget that the previous one, we have generated 3 videos that we are going to put together to generate complete one video. But this is a different thing altogether. It's a different prompt. Now let me click on this. Long press. You give it a long press. it a long press, you paste. After pasting, you come up here. Don't forget, output per prompt is 1. Model view 2 selected, so go and select view 3. When view 3 is selected, quickly you can click on the arrow pointing to the right, okay? Then you wait for the prompt. So let's see what we are going to get from this particular prompt. So you have to learn how to use ChatGPT to create prompts. Then you use the prompt to generate or create your AI realistic videos. I guess you understand that. So I will give you a list of prompts that you can edit to suit what you are looking for. I'll give it to you at the end of the training session. You can copy and paste them in your notes so that you can be changing them, editing them to suit the video advert you want to create for a particular brand, a company, or an individual that approaches you for a nice video advert. So 41%, 44%, 46%. We are waiting till it gets to 100% and our video will be ready. Can use this for 1 month. But as I said earlier, if you don't want to continue, make sure you cancel the subscription before. Can you see that? A nice lady in suit with inner red. Can you see that? Now let's play.
You can contact them on number 0248 386500. Acquire skills today and start making passive income.
Wow.
You can contact.
Can you see that? So click on the download icon, original size. Original size. Then you download it onto your phone. Download it onto. So it has been downloaded. In our previous training session, we rendered 3 different videos. And then we are going to put the 3 together as a complete video. Okay. So the app we are going to use is CapCut. We can use either CapCut or InShot. These are video editing software. So this is CapCut. And that is the icon. You can find this on your Play Store. Okay. So that is the icon. So let me click on CapCut. This is the free version that I'm using. So at times when you are using the free version, they will play some ad. When the ad is, when they are done playing the ad, then the real app will open. Okay, so the app has opened for us. So when you come here, what you do is you are going to click on new project. Can you see that? Yes. You click on new project. If you are coming here for the first time, you will not have any project. You can see that I have a lot of projects down here. Can you see that? But when you are coming here for the first time, if you are going to start a new work, you click on new project. I guess you can see that. So let me click on new project and see where it's taking me to. Okay. Don't forget, we are going to put the 3 clips together to form one complete realistic video. I guess you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so it will take me to my phone gallery. Let's wait and see where it's taking us to. This editing software is CapCut. You can find it in your Google Play Store. Okay, so the video we created, we have 3 videos, right? We have 3 videos that were created. So this is the first one. Okay, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So you select the 3 in order. I guess you understand that. So then you come down here and click on add. Can you see that down here we have add 3 because I've selected 3. So click on add 3. Now after clicking on add, we will see the 3 clips in the timeline. Okay, so this is what we have. Can you see that? So we have 3 clips in the timeline. We have 3 clips now in the timeline. Now, we have to do some small editing here. Now, let me play and show you something.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. It's not just about surviving anymore, it's about thriving. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, digital skills open doors. Learn them, master them. Use them to transform your life and career.
So can you see that? Now, look at the ending here. We have something like ending. Can you see that? You have to take it off. Else, it will be at the end of your video. Can you see that? So when you click on it, it is highlighted. Then quickly, there is delete down here. Do you see delete? Delete is here. You click on delete and it's gone. Can you see that? But there is something I want us to do. Now you realize that because we created the clips bit by bit, at the end of each clip, the CTA is there. When we say CTA, we mean call to action. The call to action is what? Empower yourself, learn digital skills today. Okay, can you see that? So join the training now. So this can be at the end. You can see that this is the first one. At the end of the first clip, we have the second clip. We have it here also. Then we have the third clip. It's also here. So we can take it off from the first clip, okay? Where it ends, then we cut it.
It's not just
So let me
skills. You're already behind.
Okay, so from here, I can decide to cut it. So let me click on this particular. Can you see that? Yes, this particular clip, the first one. Then we have, when you look at the items, we have split. Can you see split? Then you click on split. When you click on split, do you see that this is selected? So you now click on delete. Delete is down here. Can you see delete here? Delete is down here. This is delete. Okay, let me show you delete. Or I guess you can see this delete. Can you see that? So once it's selected, you click delete and it's gone. Can you see that? Then the second one.
Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry.
Okay, let's see.
Education or even ministry.
Then we can also click on the click to highlight it. Then we click split. Then we also delete. It's gone. Can you see that? Now let me start to play.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, master them. Use them to transform your life and career.
So can you see that? Now we have the call to action at the end.
The world is changing fast.
We now have the call to action at the end of the full clip. I guess you understand that. So you can add a test. Now we have a test here. Watch this. We have a test here. Can you see that we have test? That is, so you click on T. Then we have add test. After clicking on T, we have add test. Can you see that? Then you click on this again. So when you click on add test, then we are going to add our test. Can you see that? So let's say you can write your number 024838865 just for demonstration. I guess you can see that. But the number is not clear. So you click on style. Let me show you style. Style is here. This is style. Can you see that? So you click on style. When you click on style, these are, you scroll through and see, select which one you want. If it's this one, fine. If it's this one, depends on what you want. After selecting your style, then you click on this mark sign here. Can you see that? Yes. Then you click on this sign. When you click on it, now it's on top of the video. Then you can minimize it, okay, by using your hand to drag it this way, okay? Yes, you can use your hand to drag. This is the part that you hold to drag. Let me show you. This is the part that you hold to drag. Let me circle the part. Can you see that? Yes, that's the part that you hold with your hand to drag, to minimize and rotate and maximize. When it gets to a point where you want, then you can take it either to the top right corner, down, wherever you want to position it. Now let me play.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind.
You see that the number is gone. Why? Because this is the number. Click on it. I've clicked on it. Can you see that? Let me click on it again. Can you see that? Now the number is shorter than the video length. Can you see that? So after selecting it, then scroll through the items at the bottom here. We have something we call lasting test is here. Let me show you. We have something we call lasting test. Let me show you. I think. So let me show you lasting test. Can you see that? So you click on it. When you click on it, then you see that the length will now be the same as the length of the video. So watch this.
Use them to transform your life.
Let me start from the beginning.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, master them. Use them to transform your life and career.
So can you see that? Yes. So now, if you are okay with what you have created, then what you do is, let me minimize this a little. I want it to be minimized a little, okay? Then let me take it to the left, rather. I want it to be at the left top. Okay, so I think...
The world is changing fast.
No, let me take it. Let me bring it here. Okay, let me bring it here. I think...
If you don't have digital skills, you're...
So when you are done, after doing all this, then you come up here. You can see export. Can you see export here? Yes. Then you click on export to export the video. And you are done. They will play an ad before your video will export. So now it's exporting. When it gets to 100%, then we are done. So when you use the flow to create, if your video advert or the content you are creating is very long, then you create it bit by bit. And you create it bit by bit. Now we are done. Can you see done here? We are done exporting. So quickly, we have done here. So let's leave here and go to gallery and find out. Let's go to gallery and find out about our exported video. Okay, where is it? Okay, that's the first one. Let me play it and see. Let me play it and see what we have here. So you can play with any of the players you have. Let's play it and see.
The world is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind. Whether you're in business, healthcare, education, or even ministry, master them. Use them to transform your life and career.
Okay, so can you see that? Very
The world
nice.
is changing fast. If you don't have digital skills, you're already behind.
Okay, so I think you understand it. So when you create series of clips, then you can put them together using CapCut. So you can download CapCut and install it on your phone, so that you put all the clips you have created together. Because if the video is very long, you have to do it bit by bit, because they will allow you to create an 8 seconds video. And some of the video adverts are very long, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So you have to take time, create it 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Then when you are done, if the clips are even 10, you can bring them all here, edit it, and export it to get a complete video.